haven't even really started the video, but we're out here in Worcester, Mass. We're looking at a 2002 E46 325i rear-wheel drive, and comes with a turbo kit, bucket seats, extra set of wheels, new clutch. Wow! Bunch of stuff. So pretty excited. This is gonna be cool. Keep you guys updated. Oh boy, man.
Oh my god.
Dude, this GoPro setup might be a new play. It's like,
really?
Dude, it's like so easy to use. So compact. Come to Papa, baby. Oh yeah.
I can't believe we bought it.
Attaboy.
Oh, you gotta fix these windows.
Yeah, we really do. All right, let's get that cold start, baby.
Let's get the Sawzall, dude.
Oh, true.
Should we get the Sawzall like now?
Okay. Oh yeah, listen to that power steering. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah.
Woo! That sounds good.
Oh my god. It's so blue? It's dude, it's two different colors.
I didn't even know what color it was. Oh my god. Alright, let's see what parts we can throw out of tonight. I have so many parts.
AMS oil, baby.
Yeah, AMS oil.
Dude, let's see what parts we got. Let's check out this fucking turbo kit, bro. There it is.
Got it.
Bingo.
We're putting the clutch.
Yeah. Dude,
Nice.
it doesn't even like need the new clutch, but it's hype that we got one.
Dude, this is... Oh, it's all Godspeed? Oh, God Snow.
What? God Snow?
God Snow.
God Snow?
Is that like a spoof?
Dude, that's hilarious.
That's a joke, right?
That's so funny. All right, so we got intercooler, piping. We have headers? Like full-on headers? We have full-on headers.
This thing is huge. That's an intercooler. But
Kind of a fat turbo.
that's kind of sick.
That's kind of dope.
Dude, it has everything in here too.
I know. Lines, fittings, everything. Andy said a blow-off valve. It's f***ing Christmas morning right now.
Oh my god, Jake, it is headers.
Dude, it's headers.
Brand
Like
new clutch.
welded headers.
Oh yeah, for the manifold. Yeah.
I think that can't be stainless. No way. That's...
eBay ones are like known to crack, but like some people have really good luck. Like I had really good luck with it. You made out in just parts.
Dude, that's what I'm saying.
Dude, look at this. And it's got sports seats. You should
Dude.
leave this one, put the bucket over there.
Yeah, leave a nice
That's
comfortable one for the passenger.
Yeah.
Strut bar. Yeah.
Adjustable.
Oh yeah. We never jacked it up. I bet it's got a
Pure dough.
bunch of rust.
You have no idea.
Oh, we got the folding seat option. Very nice. Very nice.
Oh.
It's got the rust package.
The rust package. It's got the every light on the dash package.
It really does have every light on the dash package.
Are we tin canning this thing tonight?
Are we what?
Let's tin can this thing tonight.
Yeah, sure.
Let's strip it. Yeah.
You're like strip the rear interior.
What do you think?
And
I
then
kind of want to keep the back seat stuff.
I low
Oh,
key.
we gotta cage it.
Yeah, we do
a
gotta-
half
Yeah, but I
cage.
want to be able to bring people.
Half
That's
cage.
true.
You
That's.
can- if you half cage it, you can sit in the back.
Oh
I'm not
no.
even worried about it, honestly. Because I don't know.
That's not that bad. We'll just.
What if we did like a cart build?
Oh, a drift cart? Like exoskeleton?
Yeah.
No.
No body panel.
That would be sick, and we'll tube frame the whole front end. Tube frame the whole
Let's tube
front end.
frame it like Alex Choice. Oh.
Yeah, we got some body work to do.
Oh god. Sanchez was drinking and drifting, baby. Stripping her down, baby. What do you think?
If we can fit it right here, big e-brake.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Oh yeah, baby. This strip car. Oh, hell yeah, baby.
I'm just gonna.
Hell yeah. We just stripped out probably 200 pounds right there.
Oh, oh.
Of course, like one time.
Dog, if you wanna yank that? There we go.
Oh, my bad. Oh, yeah. Rip that thing out of here. Yeah. Yeah, milk.
Yeah, boy! Are these all airbags?
Yeah.
Oh, so it's not fiberglass.
Yeah.
More weight savings. Oh, yeah, baby.
Always be careful with airbags.
Alright, so we pretty much gutted the entire interior except for the driver's seat and driver's carpet. Gutted the back. We're probably gonna toss the rear seat bottom back in just for our test drive, but pulled out all the airbags up here. Time to take it for a fucking rip.
I'm gonna have to cut it.
Oh, that's some tool versatility right there.
This is turning out way more.
We should do that.
Attaboy! Attaboy! Yo, what?
He's got no grip.
What the? Oh my!
Black guy's life. Oh, do an e-brake entry over here.
Oh, do it. Oh! Oh!
Just don't hit it.
Oh my god! I could have done that better. Oh my god.
Yeah, push it. God. All right, so I'm shooting this outro far in the future after restoring the main camera setup here. Got a new lens, we're back in action. I hope you guys are stoked for this E46 build. It's a real blast going and picking it up and pulling it apart tonight with the boys. Absolutely tore into it. Really stoked to get this turbo kit installed. Already welded the diff, but that's for next episode. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please go leave a like down below. Subscribe for more content. We'll see you next time on JD Cars.